Hey, welcome to Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out these breakfast sandwiches we did on the Blackstone. Hey, I'm Craig. You know Jack's behind the camera. Today I'm actually doing a little bit of a copycat recipe from a local diner that we go to called Letterman's. It's like a trailer. There's a bar. There's about, I remember counting the seats, I don't remember what it is, but I want to say it was 18 seats total when that counted the bar and a couple tables behind the bar. And the owner cooks on a flat top, same size as a Blackstone, and feeds all these people, and it's usually lined up to get in the place. But the sandwich I'm doing today is called the Three Little Pigs for what he does. Now his has bacon, sausage, and pork roll on it. Mine's going to be a little bit different just because I didn't have certain things I wanted, and it goes on a bagel with cheese and three eggs. So we got the 3 eggs here, we got the cheese going on here, we got homemade bacon. This is called Krakowska, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. It's like from a Polish deli, and Jack ran up and we got different kielbasis and different things to try. But this was a ham I was looking for to make for the sandwich. And then we got some breakfast sausages here from Porter Road. So that's what we're going to use for the meats. Then we got an everything bagel and onion bagel. These are New York deli bagels, or New York bagels. Had them shipped in. My wife and I like bagels, and it's the first time we're ever trying it, but I'm like, they came in, I'm like, hey, let's use them for the cook. So we're gonna imitate the Three Little Pigs from Letterman's. It's gonna be a big breakfast sandwich, but can't wait to get this thing cooked and dig in. So we'll see you on the Blackstone. All right, let's get this thing going. I'm gonna get I got half of the Blackstone on high and the other half on low. I'm just gonna get a little grease started over here on this side, but I'll move these to the low side then. So I'll make my eggs over here on the high side. Since the breakfast sausage is raw, I wanna get them started too. All right, gonna throw I don't know if I pronounced this right at all, but Krakowska, I believe it's called, or something close to that. This is the onion bagel, I already buttered them. That's the everything bagel. All right, I'll move this Krakowska off to I actually turned the far end off, so I have a place to go with stuff. These can cook a little bit more here. Actually, we can start building these a little bit. I'll get these started. Let's take some of this. This side a little spray. I'll get the eggs done first. Put some sausage on here, because we don't have enough meat right now. I'll get this egg cooked a little more. Topped it off with a piece of cheese. Remember which is which. That's wrong. All right, let's get these on the cutting board so we can see what we're going to cut into here. As always, cheers. Nothing like a breakfast beer. Honestly, it's lunchtime for me, but it will be breakfast for Jack. So here we are, end of the cook. I copied a local diner's sandwich that my wife and I have gone to, and they make these huge breakfasts. This one's called the Three Little Pigs. Mine's a little bit different than his, but Doug at Letterman's, like I said, great guy. Feeds everyone off a flat, just a small flat, or 36-inch flat top is how he cooks every breakfast there. And he actually does lunch too. But his is pork roll, sausage, and bacon, 3 eggs, cheese on an everything or a plain bagel. I always get everything. So mine was, we had some country sausage or some breakfast sausage from Porter Road. We had Krakowska, which from a Polish deli or Polish meat market, but it reminds me of ham, basically is what it does. And then our homemade bacon. We use white American, Boarshead white American cheese, 3 eggs. I got an onion bagel and everything bagel. I'm gonna cut into the onion bagel right now. Onion bagels are probably my favorite, with everything being second best, but Jack and I are gonna kind of split these up and see what we like the best. So let's cut into this thing. It's a monster, 3 Little Pigs. I have to get down and look at that one. Boy, that looks good. These are great sandwiches. I know when my wife and I go for breakfast, we don't eat another thing and just snack in the evening because these are big. Oh yeah, that's a good sandwich. Get all that meat in there, a good bagel, good cheese. Can't go wrong. We're gonna enjoy this one. Hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.